simultaneous equations. They are a set of two or more equations that share unknown variables such as x and y, which are solved at the same time to find a single set of values that makes all the equations true. You need as many equations as there are unknown variables to solve them. This means that, for example, if you have two unknown variables, x and y, you need two systems of equations involving x and y to solve. Again, if you have three unknown variables, x, y, and z, you need three equations involving x, y, and z to solve. There are numerous methods for solving simultaneous equations. They include 1. Elimination method, 2. Substitution method, 3. Graphical method, and so on. Elimination method. 1. Solve this simultaneous equation. So we first of all have to label the equation. Equation 1, equation 2. In elimination, you eliminate the variable with the same coefficient. Here the coefficient is 1. The coefficient here is 2. So we cannot readily eliminate y. Let's look at x. The coefficients are 3, 3. They are the same. So we can eliminate x. The second principle is that if the signs of the coefficients are the same, positive, positive, or negative, negative, you subtract to eliminate. If they are different signs, positive, negative, you add to eliminate. So in this case, positive, positive, they are the same. So we subtract to eliminate. So we write equation 1 minus equation 2. So we have 3x here minus 3x. It gives us 0. So we have eliminated the x. We don't write anything here. Let's look at the y. Y minus 2y. It gives us minus y. So we have minus y here is equal to, we have 7 minus 8, which gives us minus 1. So we write the minus 1 over there. We divide both sides by minus 1 to get the value for y. So it becomes minus y over minus 1 is equal to minus 1 over minus 1. Negative cancels negative. So we have y is equal to positive 1. Here, we can put y is equal to 1 into any of the equations. So we say putting y is equal to 1 into equation 1, meaning any place we see y in equation 1, we put 1. So it becomes 3x plus 1 is equal to 7. 3x is equal to 7. This crosses the equal to sign, minus 1. 3x is equal to 6. We divide both sides by 3. So x is equal to 6 over 3. 3 goes into 3, 1 into 6, 2. X is equal to 2. We conclude by saying, therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Number 2, solve this simultaneous equation. The coefficients of the y are not the same. The coefficients of the x2 are not the same. So we cannot readily eliminate any of these variables, but we can manipulate to make one of the variables, the coefficients, the same. So you can do any, but I choose to eliminate the x. So how do we manipulate and make the coefficients the same? So we call this equation 1, equation 2. So we pick equation 1 and then multiply by the other coefficient, which is 2. In so doing, this becomes 6x. 2 times 5 will give us 10y. 2 times this will give us 6. So we call this equation 3. Then equation 2 times the other coefficient, which is 3. So this becomes minus 6x. 3 times 3 plus 9y. 3 times 4 gives us 12. We call this equation 4. So we now have the coefficient of x to be the same. So we write equation 3 and then we write equation 4 here. Now, what do you observe here? The signs of the coefficient are different. So we need to add in order to eliminate. So we bring addition sign here. So when you add this, you eliminate 0, so you don't write. So when you add this to this, it gives us minus y. If you add this to this, it gives us 18. We divide through by minus 1. Minus y over minus 1 is equal to 18 over minus 1. Negative cancels negative. So we have y is equal to minus 18. We put y is equal to minus 18 into any of the equations 1, 2, 3, or 4. Putting y is equal to minus 18 into equation 1. So what is equation 1? This. So it becomes 3x minus 5 into minus 18 is equal to 3. So we have 3x. Negative negative gives us 90. Positive 90 is equal to 3. 3x plus 90 is equal to 3. 3x is equal to, we are grouping like terms, so it will be 3 minus 90. So this gives us 3x is equal to, when we do the subtraction, it gives us minus 87. We divide both sides by 3. X is equal to minus 87 over 3. 3 goes into itself 1, goes into this 29. So we have x is equal to minus 29. We conclude by saying, therefore, x is equal to minus 29 and y is equal to minus 18. Subscribe, like, share, and discuss with your friends. Thank you.